Hi, I'm Jennifer Novak, and I'm an environmental lawyer in California, answering questions for people and businesses throughout the state with respect to California's environmental regulations and laws. Now, the other day, I was talking to someone who was thinking about buying a property where there used to be a business that's in what we would consider a traditionally polluting industry, one where people use chemicals, and some of those businesses can cause soil and groundwater pollution. And the question here was whether a prospective buyer needed to go through an environmental review if they're going to use the property for a completely different purpose, or they aren't going to use chemicals or engage in any business that might cause contamination. And the answer is that that change in the property's use doesn't take away from your need to perform your due diligence. Now, depending on the situation, you still need to protect yourself by knowing what you're getting into. You may want to negotiate some additional protections into the property purchase. You might want to look into insurance. You may want a discount on the property to compensate for the risk that you might end up having to clean up any problems. And you may even decide that it's just not worth buying. Now, I've said in some other videos that if you own the property, you own the contamination. It's not true 100% of the time, but it's true most of the time. So you need to do what you can to avoid being stuck with someone else's problem. Whether or not you want to go through a transaction is ultimately up to you. And there are a variety of reasons why some of our clients do go through with a property purchase, but some decide to avoid that risk. If you want to give us a call, we can talk through the factors that people need to consider, and we can work with you on the right decision for you.